During check entry, there may be times when you enter incorrect starting or ending dates for the pay period. And because pay period dates are retained between entries, the error might go unnoticed for some time. As a result, you may have a lot of checks with the wrong pay period dates. If you haven't printed your checks yet, the Edit Pay Period Dates window can be used to quickly correct checks that have been entered with the wrong pay period dates. To use this option, go to Payroll, Checks, Check Entry. While in the Batch Payroll Check window, right-click anywhere outside of the entry grid to bring up the right-click menu. From the right-click menu, select Change Pay Period Dates. This will open the Edit Pay Period Dates window. The first two columns of this window will show the starting and ending dates of all the checks that are currently in the batch. The third column shows the number of checks that have those dates. In the fourth and fifth columns, enter the correct starting and ending dates. You can also enter a correction to just the starting or ending date as needed. Click OK to make the changes, or cancel if you don't want to change the pay period dates.